Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into NC EdCloud. Sign in without errors step by step clearly. Open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your device. Make sure your internet connection is stable by loading any simple website. In the address bar, type the official NC EdCloud login page URL provided by your school district. Press enter and wait for the NC EdCloud sign-in page to fully load. Check the top of the browser for a lock icon to confirm the page is secure. On the login page, find the username field. Type your assigned NC EdCloud username carefully and avoid extra spaces. Find the password field and type your password with correct capitalization. If you are using a shared computer, do not enable any Remember Me options. Click the Sign In or Login button once and wait a few seconds. If you see an error, recheck your username and password and try again slowly. Use the Show Password option only if you are in a private place. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password or Password Reset link. Follow the instructions to verify your identity using the method your district requires. If your district uses an identity provider, select the correct school or district option. When prompted for MFA, enter the verification code from your phone or app. If the page keeps refreshing, clear your browser cache and cookies. After clearing, close the browser completely and open it again. Try logging in using an incognito or private window to avoid saved session issues. If your keyboard layout is different, confirm the correct language and caps lock status. Disable browser extensions that can block scripts, like ad blockers, then refresh. If you are on a school network, turn off VPN services that may interfere with access. If the site does not load, try a different browser or restart your device. Once logged in, confirm you are on the correct dashboard with your name visible. Click the application tile you need and allow pop-ups if the app opens in a new tab. If an app fails to open, sign out. Then sign back in and try again. Always sign out when finished, especially on shared or public computers. If problems continue, contact your school IT help desk with the exact error message and time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.